everyone, it's Lewis here with Spin Whitetail. Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can see right now, it's snowing and it's pretty cold right now. So what better of a way to spend tonight than to have an awesome dinner? And today we're going to be doing my specialty, and it is venison stew in an Instant Pot. So what are we waiting for? Let's go get started. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Let's go get started. All right, everyone. So this is basically all you need for this dinner. We have a pound here of venison stew meat that is it's frozen. And what's awesome about this Instant Pot is you can put stuff in there frozen and it comes out fully cooked, and it's awesome. And we also have 3 regular potatoes. We have 2 sweet potatoes, half of an onion, and then this right here, it is a McCormick slow cooker hearty beef stew. So let's start cutting up stuff and get it going. Now what I like to do is I like to cut the onion first, because to me cutting the onion is the worst part, so I like to get that done out of the way first. So I'm going to start cutting this up. And I'd say do, you know, medium-sized pieces. Pieces don't have to be perfect. So we'll put that in. All right, next we'll do the sweet potatoes, because they're the hardest potato, I think, to cut. So I like to do those second. And I like to cube them to about that size right there. And having a sharp knife really helps with this. All right, put these in. All right, now we have our regular potatoes. And another ingredient that we're putting in this too that I also forgot to add is carrots. We have carrots as well that we're putting in there. A lot easier. But this is a great meal if you're a hunter and you're on a budget. The vegetables for this meal, you can either grow them yourself, or at the store, this meal costs on average around $10 to make, because you already have the expensive part, you already have the meat. So all you got to pay for is vegetables and then the flavoring packet. So it's a pretty cheap and affordable meal. But if you don't want to use venison, you can always use beef or whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Thank you. So this bag of carrots, I put in the whole bag because why not? Then these are just the vegetables that I put in. You can put whatever vegetables you want in there. It doesn't really matter. Now, last but not least, we're going to put some water in here to the fill line. Then we're going to add the slow cooker packet, and then we'll get it all set up and show you what to do for time. All right, so we got our vegetables and our meat in there. We got our water up to the fill line. So now we're going to go ahead and add our flavoring packet and then stir it in. Okay, there's our flavoring packet. Then we're going to go ahead and stir this in. Okay, that looks pretty good.
It smells Delicious.
Yeah, it does. All right, now we're gonna go set it up and then we'll tell you what to do for times. Okay, so here's our Instant Pot. So what you want to do is you're gonna put it on meat and stew. Click that button. It'll say 1 hour, and then all you gotta do is you don't even have to touch it. All you have to do is hit that button right there. And now this particular Instant Pot takes about 20 minutes to pressurize. So after it hits 20 minutes and you can hear it pressurize, it'll be going for an hour, and then we'll see you back then. All right, everyone. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The stew is almost done. Should be going off shortly here. Any minute now. That's it. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is hit cancel, or it'll keep it warm. And then what I'm going to do, all right, now all you have to do is drain the steam out of this, and all you have to do is just press this little button down like this. And then this little metal piece right here, you see how it's up? It'll go down when it's depressurized. All right, everyone, you guys are about to get the first look at this awesome Instant Pot dinner of venison stew. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more recipes like this in the future. And then be sure to try this recipe out. There's the pieces of venison that were frozen, perfectly cooked. And on a cold day, this is definitely something to enjoy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.